All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is
Maya.
And this is
Mimi.
And it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from
USA!
Yep, this is a box from exoticnoods.com. You can get one over there and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Alright, so when you get one of these boxes, the first thing you're going to see is this Features of the Month pamphlet, which is chock full of pictures and information, a little newsletter and stuff, so yeah, super cool. Alright, now I'm going to go through each one of these things and give you a little bit of background on it. Alright, first off, known and loved throughout the world, this is Mama's Shrimp Tom Yum flavor. This is a jumbo pack too. This is a nice big serving of it. You're going to find a spiciness and lemongrass kind of hit, a citrusiness, lemoniness to it, and a shrimp flavor. This is absolutely the pride of Thailand, so yeah, you're going to like it. And then we have one from Kang Shifu, not to be confused with Master Kang. This is artificial salted beef mushroom flavor from Hong Kong. These are big blocks, lots of noodles, lots of decent flavorings. You'll get a powder, a paste, and a vegetable in it, so should be good. Next up from Indonesia, we have the Sauron Flavor, that translates to vegetable. Yeah, this will be a soup. This isn't like mee goreng. This is like you've got your noodles, you've got your broth, there's a little bit of chili powder, a seasoned oil, and a regular soup-based powder. So yeah, this will be good. All right, here's a big one here. This is a nice big bowl from China. This is 9999 Chongqing style artificial beef flavor. Yeah, this stuff is good. You can find a lot of these varieties out right now, and there's also one that's river snail flavor. There's also a spicy one too. I don't think this is a spicy one. This is just the artificial beef flavor. Good noodle. Chunking style means a little bit of a thicker, flatter noodle, I believe. And yeah, I've had this one. A lot of sachets inside, so check it out. And this is one I'm super thrilled about because I haven't had this one. This is Bulldog Kimchi from Samyang Foods of South Korea. So there's tons of different Bulldog varieties now, and this is one that I haven't had. I thought I had one, and I think I threw one away a while back, but yeah, this is going to be good and spicy, and I'll definitely be doing a mukbang of this one. I am super stoked. Thank you for including this. If you like it hot, this will fit the bill. And if you are into spicy, you're going to like this one too. This is the Shinsegai Mami Ghost Pepper Chicken. This one will definitely knock your block off. It says spicy. Doesn't it say ghost pepper? Yeah, it says ghost pepper on it. Yeah, I've done this one. The noodles are black, first off, and it's just got a mean heat to it. It's really cool. This is now in the US, so yeah, give it a try. Another good one from Hong Kong. This is Cup Noodles Crab flavor. A lot of crab stick in this one, a little bit of egg. Yeah, these varieties have a decent amount of garnish that come included, so yeah, I think you'll like it. And last but not least, we have Sapporo Ichiban's original flavor Japanese style noodles. This is basically like a shoyu from what I can remember. It's, yeah, soy sauce flavor, it says on top. This is pretty much a standard Japanese instant noodle. This is the Americanized packaging, the export. And yeah, the folks who make these are really nice people, and I've talked to them a few times, and yeah, this one's really good with some chashu, some marinated egg, soft-boiled egg, and some green onion, and maybe a little bit of mung bean sprout on top. Delicioso. All right, so in the July 2021 Exotic Nudes box, you get spicy kimchi, salted beef, ghost pepper, tom yum, Krabby Crab, vegetable, some beef, soy sauce flavor, and your informational pamphlet. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. If you want to get one of these, again, head on over to exoticnoods.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. All right, this has been Hans, and this has been Maya. And this has been
Mimi.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.